Welcome everyone. You go to the advertising settings and you can't see the reset advertising identifier option. But this iPhone right here has the option. So what is going on? Well, with the newer iPhone softwares, Apple has changed this view. They've changed limit ad tracking to personalized ads. Those are the same thing, but they have removed, yes, you've heard that correctly, they have removed the ability to reset the advertising identifier. If you don't want to be tracked, what you would do if personalized ads is on, you just have to turn it off and then turn it back on, and that will automatically reset the advertising identifier. If you leave personalized ads off, then of course you can't be tracked with ads either. With that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.